Alright, so here we go, day 5, Harry Plobber. I keep calling him Harry Plobber, and people might have said something in the comments already, but I always think of Simpsons when they call Homer calls him Harry Plobber. Anyway, here we go, day 5. Oopa. Day 5. That's that one. Cool. So that goes there, and then we got the Marvel, day 5. Let's see what we got here. Day 5 Marvel. Ooh, nice. Venom in a Christmassy outfit. Ooh, okay. Finally, we got something festive. Awesome. Don't think you can count a banana as being festive. That's the first festive thing I think we've had. So that's kind of cool. And then we've got the Star Wars. Okay. Star Wars day 5. Where are we? Day 5. Star Wars. So this is, I have no idea what that is supposed to be. Oh, okay, it's an AT, it's one of the walkers. Okay, so nothing really festive. Okay, that's that one. And then we've got, again, my favourite so far, City. Let's see. Day 5, we've got a girl on skis. Awesome. Okay. No helmet. Wow. Living dangerously. Okay, so now I'm going to build those up, and I'll see you in a second. Right, so day 4. I kind of like this, actually. He is rather cool. He's eating a hot dog and he's got a red scarf on. So yeah, Venom is, I'm sure it's Venom. Venom is eating his hot dog. It's Christmas time, celebrate with a hot dog, awesome. And it comes with a spare dog. City Girl on her skis, I think is rather cool. Same kind of shirt, or not the same, similar shirt to what the boys got, but this one's green with just Christmas trees and snowflakes on the front, and then Christmas tree on the back. She's got some glasses on, no real protection for her head, living dangerously, but that's cool. And this I was surprised with. Okay, it's not festive, okay, at all, but I do like this. This is a really cool little build. Look at that. It's like a AT-AT walker. And his head can go up and down and can go side to side like that. So you could, you know, the only thing that's missing is his guns, his turrets. But I kind of like that. That was an awesome little build. And then this is Harry Potter. So you've got the jelly beans, or the beans here. There we go. So we've got the beans here. We got a mug of something and a cookie or whatever. Yeah, it looks like a frosted cookie. And then we've got a spell book. So I'm imagining this is Hermione studying. A little spell book there. And that just sits in there, which is a bit of a shame that it doesn't actually fit on somehow, but whatever. So that is it. That is day 5 completed for each one. So Marvel, City, Star Wars, Harry Potter. Awesome. See you in the next one.